Okay students, in video 5, is right? Video 5, you did also similar type of problem you did. So then the video 6 also I am doing the different type of problem. Because small video I am sending to you. You have to take your own time and what problems you did on the video, that problems you have to copyright. Then it will be easily you understand. So same procedure, this is also question for tan inverse of a cos x minus b sin x upon b cos x plus a sin x. I don't have to say here. Always like this term is there. You see, the first term you have to convert as a 1. Is right? But here 1 you convert or here 1 you have to convert. That you have to think it. Why means? Before that one point I say here, we know that tan inverse. Be careful, you see that tan inverse x, here is the minus y upon 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So when AB is not there, direct you divide with cos x both numerator and denominator. But present question A, B, A is there. So that if here A and here A, then direct you can divide A cos x both numerator and denominator. But here both constant and change. So that here people is tan inverse. So try to convert like this. So like that formula you see, in denominator of first term what about? 1 is there now? So that also you have to convert as a 1. So that propose divide b cos x both numerator and denominator. Be careful. Again I am saying that here a and b both are different constant. So then if different constant like this problem is there, so try to understand this formula. In this formula you know the denominator of first term is 1. So this one you have to convert as a 1. So if you want to convert 1, so numerator and denominator divide this first term b cos x. After the divide, what you get? Tan inverse of a by b, cos x cancel, minus b cancel, sin by cos, tan x upon b cos x divide 1 plus a by b sin by cos tan x. So now you notice with the formula for tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, which the result is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Because this is y. By using the property tan inverse a by b minus tan inverse of tan x is equal to x, that is your answer of this question. Be careful, try to understand. Is right? If there is a constant term which change is there, so compulsory you have to make it denominator first term as 1. The meaning of 1, you see, what term is there the denominator first term? Divide both the numerator and denominator, then you will get the answer. Are you understand? Note down. Yes. So the next question, one of the very important question this is, cot inverse of under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x upon under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x. Prove that the RHS is to get x by 2. So when you get RHS x by 2, so just you think that here cot inverse, this bracket is become also cot x by 2. Because cot inverse of cot x by 2 is equal to x by 2 or not. So then your target, this one you have to convert as a cot. Before that, I told you one problem, 1 minus sin x formula. Before one problem I told you, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. I told the formula. If there is a root over, then here also you take root over. So root over and square is cancelled. under root over 1 plus sin x is become what? Same you say cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Do you understand here? So by using this formula, you have to substitute here. So then in LHS it become cot inverse of under root over 1 minus sin x under root over 1 plus sin x value, you know. So what is the under root over 1 plus sin x value? Substitute cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. This is the one term plus under root over 1 minus sin x value cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon same, nothing to change, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. After this, cot inverse of, expand the bracket. After the bracket, what you get? Here plus sin x by 2, here minus sin x by 2. Cancel. So 1 cos x by 2, again 1 cos x by 2, addition means see 2 cos x by 2 upon, be careful, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus multiply, minus cos x by 2 minus into minus plus sin x by 2. So plus cos x by 2 minus cos x by 2 cancel, sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2 is become 2 sin x by 2. 2 cancel. So then what is left? Cot inverse of cot x by 2. Why? 2 cancel. Cos by sin is cot. So I told you cot inverse of cot x by 2 is nothing but x by 2, which is the result is RHS. Very simple, you see. Question is looking very big. You don't fear that. You make the simplification by using the formula. How get this formula already I explained to you? Is right? So once you check it, then it will be easy to you. Not done. Okay. So now you see that very important question is question 1. It is tan inverse of under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x upon under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x. And the given result is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So just you see that here the RHS is pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. But here tan inverse given and here x is given. Before I told sir 1 plus x square or 1 minus x square means see, substitute x is equal to tan theta or x is equal to sin theta. But in this case never. Why? Your only x is there. So then what you want to substitute here? Very simple method I will say. Look at, in place of x, so what you substitute you see, go to the RHS. In RHS, what trigonometric function is there? The trigonometric function is 1 by 2 cos inverse x. If pi by 4 ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ, x place ಏನು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ RHS ನೋಡಿ, you can understand. You go to the RHS, once you observe the RHS, then you can think what you substitute in place of x. Look at 1 by 2 cos inverse x is equal to theta. 2 multiply. 2 multiply means what you get? Cos inverse x is equal to 2 theta. That implies x is equal to how much become? Cos 2 theta. So then substitute x is equal to cos 2 theta. Put x is equal to cos 2 theta. You see that? What you took that you getting or not getting? Just you see that. If x is equal to cos 2 theta, that implies 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x. That implies theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Did you get it? So now the LHS is become tan inverse under root 1 plus cos 2 theta minus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta upon under root 1 plus cos 2 theta plus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta. So that tan inverse of formula is 2 cos square theta by 2. So under root over 2 cos square theta, only 2 theta is there, so it will become theta, minus under root over 2 sin square theta divided by same formula 2 cos square theta plus under root over 2 sin square theta. So now square and root over cancel, but 2 is under root. So here root 2 and root 2 you take common. So after taking the root 2 common for both numerator and denominator, what is left? It is left only cos theta minus sin theta upon, when denominator also root 2 common, what is left? Cos theta plus sin theta. So that both the term root 2 cancel after, what is left? Tan inverse of cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta can be written as 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, because divide cos theta both numerator and denominator. So when you divide, so cos theta by cos theta is 1 minus sin theta by cos theta is tan. Is right? So that, because like that problem you did, like this problem already you did that. So then it is become tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So which the given result is pi by 4 minus theta. What is theta? So that is called pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. This is called RHS. Do you understand clear? Very simple. You don't think what else substitute x, what else substitute x, that x is there in RHS. Just you compare, then it will be easy to you. Do you understand clear? Okay now? So try to very easy, that is, try to understand how to get the x value, then you substitute, then the problem will be easy to you. Not be once, twice, thrice you have to see, then it will be easy. Okay? Okay? Now you see this. This is one of the important question. How to prove this is? Here nothing to substitute, but direct to prove it. How to prove this is? That is, tan inverse root x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x can be written as 2 tan inverse root x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Multiply. Now, what is that? LHS. What is LHS? 2 tan inverse root x. I told you formula. 2 tan inverse x formula. Tan inverse. 2 tan inverse x formula. Tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Is right? Which give the result is tan inverse of 2 root x upon 1 minus x. Now this tan inverse you want to convert cos inverse. How? By using the Pythagoras formula, by taking a right angle triangle. Draw one right angle triangle. Tan opposite by adjacent, opposite. Adjacent 1 minus 6. What you get this is under root over 1 minus x whole square plus 2 root x whole square. Pythagoras formula. So that 1 minus x means what will get? Just imagine. Here what will get? That is called under root over 1 plus x square minus 2x plus here 2 square 4 root x square is x plus 4s. So that under root over 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 4x is plus 2x that is called under root over 1 plus x whole square. So root over cancel means see final result what we get? Only 1 plus x. So then this cos inverse is become, because this is opposite by adjacent, but cos is become adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? 1 minus x by 1 plus x. 1 minus x by 1 plus x. This is RHS. Do you understand? Very simple. Don't want to make the problem is very large. Very simple, you can solve it. Very easy that is. What the question is given, how to answer without substitution of the trigonometric function. Try to understand that. Be perfect this right angle triangle, how got it? Because I told you tan is the opposite part adjacent. What will get? Hypotenuse. I solved that. Then how to convert cos? Means adjacent by hypotenuse. You get it? That you need. You understand clear? That's only. So next I'll give the solve of the problem homework to you. Please you do that homework problem. Then your homework problem, if you do that, so then it will be easy to you. So what the homework problem you see? Simplest form. Simplest form. Homework. First question is tan inverse under root over x square minus 1. Tan inverse under root over x square minus 1. Here mod x greater than 1. This is one question. And the next question, second one is tan inverse of under root over 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Is right? It is one of the problem. X is less than pi. Because in the formula 1 minus cos x formula 2 sin square x by 2, 1 plus cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2. Then you will get it. Okay? This one problem is you have to do that. And the next is third one. Third question. Tan inverse x by under root over a square minus x square. Here a square minus x square is there. You have to substitute x is equal to a sin theta. X is equal to a sin theta. Because a square is there. Clear? And fourth question is tan inverse of, it is a very very important question, 3a square x minus x cube upon it is a cube minus 3a x square. This problem only, because here direct x is equal to same a tan theta, because here tan 3 theta formula 3a square x is equal to a tan theta. Is right? Only tan theta, not a tan theta, only tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta. Okay? Here a tan theta. Here a tan theta. Then a cube common, it will be easy to you. Try to understand this problem. This problem propose a given hints. What hints is? Put x is equal to a tan theta. That implies tan theta is equal to x by a. That implies theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Is right? So when you substitute here, x is equal to a tan theta, 3a square into a tan theta, 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta. Here a cube as it is. Here also you get a 3a cube tan square theta. A cube common. A cube common. After taking a cube common, we will get the 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. It is become tan 3 theta. I written theta y. Similarly, this problem, put x is equal to a sin theta. Then theta is equal to how to get, you know. This is a given hints for this problem. This fourth problem, please, you have to do. Yourself you do means you can understand that yes, I get or not get answer. Because I am doing this exercise 2.2 in part 1 textbook. So what problem I given homework, that is also exercise is there. You look at and textbook backside answer is there. You check it. Otherwise, direct you contact to me. Clear? Bye. That's all today. Okay. Video 5 and 6 perfect you observe it. How I did the proof and how I did the simplify.